Welcome everyone. If you didn't do it yet, you can close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for 3, 2, 1 and exhale slowly through your mouth. Keep breathing in a circuit way from your nose to your lower belly and exhale slowly. Take all the air out. As we know, the time of the holidays are behind us. The month of Elul, the month of Tishrei, the month of Virgo, the month of Libra. We have received light, blessings, and inspiration. But now comes the real moment to bring all that light into action. In Kabbalah, we learn that light without action is like breath without movement. It exists, but it doesn't live. Scorpio brings strong energy, emotion, intensity, even pressure. But this energy was never meant to break you. It was meant to ignite you. If there is something you have been putting off, this is the time to move it. If there is a dream that's been shouting inside you, give it a breath. This is your moment. The breath you're taking right now is the beginning. Take another deep inhale through your nose. Hold for 3, 2, 1 and exhale through your mouth. Release hesitation, release fear, release waiting. Now, bring your awareness to your heart. Ask yourself quietly, what do I truly want to bring to life this month? What promise did I make to myself that I am ready to fulfill? What can I do to bring more light to the people around me? Say it quietly to yourself. This month, I want to bring to life. And continue the sentence. Feel how that sentence already moves energy inside you. You just spoke creation into motion. Now we'll move for intention to energy, from thoughts to breath. Open your mouth wide and start to take big inhales through your mouth. 1 in, 1 out. Find your rhythm. Let it go deep into your lower belly. Inhale light. Exhale resistance. Keep going. Keep breathing. Steady, smooth, alive. Every inhale, you awaken potential. Every exhale, you bring it into life. If there is something you have been delaying, feel it right now. Breathe into it. This is your time to move it forward. The breath you take now awaken your true desire to manifest your power, especially this month. I am ready to move forward. The power is in me now. I bring it to life now. Keep breathing one in, one out, and if resistance appears, don't fight it. Just breathe through it. The Kabbalists teach every obstacle is an invitation to grow. Resistance is not here to stop you, it's here to lift you. Now I want you to visualize two letters glowing before you. The letter Dalet and the letter Nun. If you can't imagine the letters, imagine two balls of light in front of you. They are not symbols. They are frequencies. The letter Dalet reminds you to open, to be humble, and to let the light in. The letter Nun reminds you to move, to trust, to follow. Now, while you keep taking those deep breaths into your lower belly, listen to the frequency of the letters Dalet, Nun, Dalet, Nun. Let your breath carry the vibration of the letters. They remind you you are open, you are following, and you are moving forward. And this month, you have the power to create, to lead, to focus your energy, to manifest all the blessings you need to reveal into your life, into your community, into your surrounding, and into the world. Every obstacle is a doorway. Every challenge is an opportunity. You rise above. You choose light. I am guided by light. I rise above chaos. My strength is calm. I move with divine timing. The power to manifest is within me. And now, to my count, I want you to take a deep inhale and hold your breath. 3, 2, 1. Take a deep breath in and hold. Feel the energy building inside. Say it in your heart. I am ready to bring this light into reality. And now, to my count, you are going to exhale with a big sigh, all the air out. 3, 2, 1, release. And now come back to the nasal breathing. Inhale through your nose to your lower belly and exhale slowly from your mouth. Keep breathing in a circuit way, in a conscious way. And while you're breathing, see something specific you want to manifest. See yourself doing it, taking that action, sending that message, starting that step, making that call, having that honest conversation, finishing what you started. Whatever it is, see yourself doing it right now. Make that decision. If there is something you have been putting off, this is your moment. If there is a dream that's been calling you, give it breath. Inhale it in. Exhale it out. Turn thoughts into movement. You are the vessel. You are the bridge between heaven and earth. The light flows through you when you move. Now call on the energy of Scorpio. Use its fire to transform challenge into motion, emotion into balance. When things feel complex, return to simplicity. The truth is never complicated. It's already within you, waiting to be lived. Every moment of opposition is not here to stop you. It's here to unlock you, to reveal the new light that was concealed beneath the struggle. So when you meet resistance, smile. You are standing at the doorway of revelation. Breathe through it. Let it show you the strength, the wisdom, the love that have been inside you all along. You don't need to chase the light. You are the light, uncovering itself through every breath, through every action, through every decision to act and behave like the light. Feel the Creator's light surrounding you, guiding you, empowering you. You already have everything you need. You are not alone. The power of the Creator moves with you. So keep going with love, with trust, with simplicity. Keep creating, keep giving, keep breathing. Because every breath is creation in motion. You are the vessel. You are the bridge between heaven and earth. The light flows through you when you move. I decide. I act. I create. Slow your breath now, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Put your right hand on your heart and the left hand on your belly. Take one deep breath in and hold. 3, 2, 1. Exhale slowly all the air. And now I want you to say it quietly. This month I commit to being a channel of light in action. I choose to move with purpose. I choose to bring my light into the world. Let it sink in. This month is not about thinking, it's about doing. Not about waiting, it's about creating. So take one last deep breath in and decide now. Where will you focus your energy? What will you bring to life? Inhale strength, exhale clarity. You are ready. You are powerful. You are light in motion. Welcome back. Welcome home. You can start to move your hands, your legs. Take a few seconds. Just when you're ready, you can open slowly your eyes and come back to here, to the now. Chodesh Tov, everyone.